Hello, boys and girls. Well, here we are again with some e-learning lessons for this week. Now, things are going to be a little bit different this week because you do not have the pages at home. So we will use this Nearpod. I hope that you will still listen very carefully and pay attention as I go through these first two pages with you. And then you will be able to complete the other slides, the on your own part or pages in the Nearpod slides. So, are you ready? Okay, so we're going to talk today about tens and ones and how we can draw models to represent these tens and ones. So, as you can see down at the bottom, we have the number 23. And so we need to draw some rods or sticks of 10 and some ones to show you how that works. We could, well, 23 ones would be just a lot of individual squares or cubes. Ones like this, 23. Whoo, this may take me a minute. Okay, there's 10. 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, now we can group 10 of those together. Now I can circle 10, okay, and circle another 10. And how many 10s do I have? I have two 10s, don't I? With 1, 2, 3 left over. Now I'm going to erase that because that was the easiest way that I could think of. If we have two 10s, we can also show that 10 as a stick of 10. We had two of them, so two sticks of 10, and then the ones. So this is another way to show 23. Two 10s and three ones. And the total, if we count that, count these sticks or rods by 10, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and go on to the next page. So this is showing us kind of the same thing here. You can show a number as tens and ones. So by regrouping, these are all just the ones. But if we connect, I gotta get my pen. So if we group 10 of these and make them into a rod or a stick, then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this shows 16 ones. And then if we group 10 of them together to make a stick or a rod, then we have 1 10 and 6 ones. But both groups equal 16. This is 16 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 ones. And this is 16s in tens and ones. Okay, so let's take a look at these yellow cubes. We're going to circle a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that group of 10 right there. Okay, and then we have how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1 10 and 4 left over for a total of 10, count on, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, and we said 14. That's what 14 ones is what we started with. Okay, let's group 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, do we have enough to make another 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We do. And so now we have two 10s, two groups of 10. can make a stick to represent those two tens. And then we have only one left over. So 2 tens and 1 1. 10, 21. And we started with 21 ones. Okay? How would you regroup 30 ones? Whew, well, first of all, that would take a long time to draw out 30 cubes, wouldn't it? But how could we regroup them? How many tens would that be? Let's see. Here's 10, 20, 30. That would be 3 tens. 3 tens. And do we have any ones? No. 0. Oh, well, let me write it over there. 0 ones. Oh, I ran out of space here too. Oh, that's a teeny tiny S. All right. So the next page here, I've divided the top page into a slide for Nearpod, and I've divided the bottom into a Nearpod. So now you can see the top and the bottom is a little bit different. Here you actually have the cubes to circle to show that how many tens there would be and how many ones for the total number. And here you have just the number. But if this first digit here, this first digit tells you how many tens there are. So this first digit, how many tens is there going to be? Yeah, 3 tens. And then, the second digit tells us how many ones, because this is all about place value. Yeah, 3 tens and 5 ones. 3, 5, 3, 5, for a total of 3, 5, or 35. All right, good luck.